If you haven't played with FastAPI, I highly recommend it. It's a great way to start building APIs for putting on the web, connecting to your data sources, but deploying tools like APIs or Django or FastAPI or otherwise can be really tricky. Because it seems like the deployment almost is harder than writing the API endpoints. So the folks from FastAPI have actually founded a backend called FastAPI Cloud. It's currently in private beta, but you can request to be on the waitlist and get access to it so you can start testing it. So I actually said I was interested and they gave me access. So I've been playing with it for probably about 2 or 3 months now. And I'm really impressed with just how simple they have made the deployment process for getting FastAPI onto the web. So what I do is I'm going to show you FastAPI and deploy it in under 60 seconds. And you code, we cloud. That's their tagline. So the idea is we go from code to cloud in 3 commands. There's no Dockerfiles, no YAML, no infrastructure tickets. All that is handled under the covers by the FastAPI Cloud service. So what I'll do is a quick demo. We're going to run, I hope everyone's using UV in the room. If you're not using UV, you should be using UV because it's the most amazing package manager and installation tool known to man on this planet for Python. But UV lets you do things like UVX, which is run a command provided by some Python package, and it figures it out, downloads it, and puts it in its own little secret environment. But this allows me to run the FastAPI command from scratch to deploy a brand new app. And then once I've got it on my file system, I just run FastAPI deploy and magic happens. So let's actually, well, kind of tell you that afterwards. Yeah. Well, before you deploy, yeah. Make sure you got UV, one liner. Make sure you got a FastAPI account, so sign up for the wait list, and then we'll deploy that FastAPI app. Let's go ahead and do it. I do not like Keynote. Let me just put that out there. That is not it's not my favorite choice of presentation software, but that is what Claude Cowork built for me as a slide. Okay, UEX Fast API new IndiePy demo. So, well, I also love the fact that they lean in on emojis in the terminal. I'm a big fan of that. So we just created a fast API project in IndiePy demo. If we cd into that directory and run this command, we will be literally running a local version of this tool. So IndiePy demo. So again, UV run, it knows that there's a virtual environment baked in there someplace. I don't have to worry about it. UV manages it all for me. I can now go to port 8000 and I see the nice little hello world. What's also nice is I can go to 8000/docs and you have your web documentation built in. Let me make this a little bigger. Yeah, there you go. So you can actually like test out the parameters, try it out. Obviously, if you execute it, you should get hello world, and it does. So magic happened. Great. That's on my local computer. I think 99% of us get to this point and are like, cool, let's deploy. And now we spend 99% of our time trying to deploy this someplace. That's where this gets even cooler, is that we will run deploy. Literally, I've done nothing. I've configured nothing. I will be able to run deploy. I already logged in to my FastAPI account from the command line. So I'm going to pick my account that I'm on. I do want to create a new app and we'll call it IndiePy demo and it's in the current directory and start the deployment. Now on the backside in FastAPI, magic is happening. It has deployed a IndiePy demo app into my portal. And you can see well, it's actually already deployed. It's already live. You can kind of follow the little green bars as it goes through all the steps, but you get live logs. So these are live logs. There are multiple workers being load balanced across automatically. You can specify environment variables that can be picked up. So if you've got environment variables inside your code that looking for keys and API secrets, that can all be done that way. You can link this up to Neon databases or Redis cloud databases automatically or any other database you want. But those are kind of nice because it's got some built-in ones for Supabase, for example. You can have your deploy tokens. So if you actually want to have your GitHub Actions deploy this for CI/CD, that's all set up as well. And you can see the build log. Oh, sorry, build logs. Where are those at? They moved it around on me. Oh, here it is, active. build time log. So if anything happens during the build process, you can come in here and triage and debug it. That is Fast API Cloud in a nutshell. There again, that's just right from the docs. All these pieces are kind of built in. That I think this is just the fastest way I've ever seen to deploy an application on the web. And that's it. And I did it in 5 minutes.